What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. In today's video, man, we just looking at the Corvette. We just looking at this setup that I got. Yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday. Didn't really have nothing else to do. Thought I'd create a video. Just some random video that I wanted to create. Now, what I wanted to show y'all is, since I got my supercharger on here, yeah, nitrous capped off. Eventually, I'm hooking this nitrous back up. Right when I'm ready to blow it, I'm hooking the nitrous back up. But that ain't gonna be no time soon. Anyway, when I got this supercharger put on the car, it made the supercharger extremely, well, I won't say extremely loud, but it made it pretty loud, louder than what it was. The sound is amazing. The cam already popped. Now, granted, some of that is part of the tune, the new tune that was used, that was put in the car. I'm sure that's got something to do with it, but that's neither here nor there. All I know is that it sounds amazing. I like the whine of it. There's so much about this tune that I like, and the loudness of it. So we're gonna start it up, and I'm gonna let you hear what I'm talking about. I know I probably did this in a previous video, but we're gonna do it in this one too. Let's listen to it. It's loud. That is very loud. Motor sounds real good and healthy and loud. Let's come over here so I can talk a little bit. Another advantages of getting a supercharger is the way that it sounds. It sounds absolutely amazing. It's very loud, way louder than what it was. If somebody knows why my car got louder with the supercharger, because I don't know, let me know in the comments. Probably the tune, but I feel like I'm screaming right now. It's just loud. My wife even said it was loud. I absolutely love the sound of it. There's a lot of things that go into, adding upgrades and modifications, superchargers and all of that. There's a lot that go into it. And sometimes when we buy this stuff, we are only buying it for the horsepower, but there are several other advantages in buying it too. And number one is the sound. Number two is the look. Well, I guess that would be number two and number three. Number one would be the actual horsepower. But there are several reasons why you should do it. There's several things that I like about it, and those are three of them. Then when you look at this right here, when you come down here, you can see that fat ass intercooler sitting up in there. I don't know if the camera picks it up. You just know this ain't nothing to play with. It's nothing to play with. I just noticed something. Oh, I thought there was a crack, but it's not a crack. Scratches down there, a lot of scratches. I need to wrap this. I really need to wrap my car. Okay, let's turn it off now. Man, there is something about the sound of that supercharger, the whistling, the whine. We spend all this money in this stuff and we get it for the power, but you don't realize that when you do these things, it's actually taking your car to the next level, even more than what you imagine. Because just the sound of it is an indication that you've taken your car to the next level. And that's what I like about it. Down here on the floor. So when I got this is just a random video. When I got my nitrous, when I got the supercharger put on, I had to change intakes. We're going to go with a nozzle setup because the plate wouldn't fit. It was pushing the intake manifold too far forward, and it was hitting the supercharger bracket. But that's the kind of stuff that you run into. But that's absolutely neither here nor there. I just wanted to let y'all listen to what it sounds like now. It is loud. It is loud And the next step, I think the next step is going to have to be, is really going to have to be rear end modifications, suspension modifications, transmission modifications for sure. I don't know. What do y'all think the next thing I should do performance wise? I think it probably needs to be transmission and rear end. Maybe get some gears. Might get some gears. I don't know. This your boy. Let me know in the comments. Peace.
Yeah. Jake to the